It all started with an idea. Well, it's in the name, so no surprises there. Though we were surprised with the love and support you all gave us and helped us create an amazing portfolio. Seriously, check out the website if you haven't yet. We have worked for clients all over India, Middle East, Singapore and USA, creating stories based on the brand's DNA and helping them achieve good results. And this led to our growth. And we always aim to grow with our craft, regardless of the challenges that came our way. With each project, we aim to create a space of our own, and we try and explore for you new, profitable horizons. And the best combination of these 4 values, that's how we work. Because we respect your time and money, and we know how much a good brand story is worth out there. So, let's get on a call to discuss more.